Good day everyone. Today we'll show you how plants make their own food through an amazing process called photosynthesis. Let's meet the elements that make it happen.
Hi, I'm sunlight, the main source energy for plants. Without me, the plants would have the power to make the food.
The main reason is plants wouldn't survive without sunlight because sunlight is their main energy source for photosynthesis, the process that lets them make food like glucose from water and carbon dioxide. Without sunlight, they can't produce food or energy, so they eventually die.
Hey there, I'm carbon dioxide. Plants take me through tiny holes in their leaves. I'm one of the ingredients of plants that
Just like I said, same thing with sunlight. Plants wouldn't survive without carbon dioxide because it is the main source of carbon they use to make glucose, which serves as their food and energy supply. Without carbon dioxide, they cannot produce the sugars needed for growth and survival.
Hello, I'm water. Plants absorb from the soil using the roots. I travel all the way up to the leaves. I read into health and photosynthesis.
Plants wouldn't survive without water because water is like their juice. It keeps their cells firm, move nutrients around, and fuel their internal chemistry. Without it, photosynthesis would shut down, and the plant would go from a green and thriving to scientifically dehydrated toast.
Hi, I'm plants and using my leaves is chlorophyll, the green pigments that capture sunlight. I can make my own food called glucose and release oxygen from human and animals to breathe.
Plants wouldn't survive without chlorophyll because it is the green pigment that absorbs light energy needed for photosynthesis. This process allows plants to convert light energy into chemical energy in the form of glucose, which they use for growth and survival. Without chlorophyll, plants wouldn't be able to produce their own food and would eventually die. And here's the formula for photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide plus water plus sunlight equals glucose plus oxygen. Thank you for watching. Remember, without sunlight, carbon dioxide, water, and chlorophyll, plants wouldn't survive. Each one plays a vital role in keeping them alive and thriving. So next time you see a green leaf, think of all the science working behind it, or something like that. See you next time, and thank you for watching.